Hi, and welcome to 2 Weeks to SwiftUI. My name is Chidi, and I'm a software engineer. And this is a course I've designed to get you started in programming. So, what is 2 Weeks to SwiftUI? What's the program about? So, if you ever wondered if you can create an app in, 10 days or 20 days, or even the idea of building an app, if you've ever considered creating an iPhone application and you thought, this is going to be a lot of work. You're going to need a lot of experience. You need to know math. You need to be a software engineer, software developer, and so on and so forth. So if you ever thought the requirement is too much, you need to know a lot of things to code and create an app, this is the series and course I've designed for you. So this is an introduction to coding and programming. This is just to get you started. This is just to get you into the iOS development world. So in 2 weeks, I'm going to show you how to create a basic application or basic SwiftUI application, and you can see all that is involved in making an app. All right, a little bit about me. I'm a software engineer with 7 years experience, and I've worked in several industries ranging from banking to insurance and finance. I've worked in the food industry. I've also worked in the retail industry, as well as hardware and electronics, dealing with Bluetooth applications, dealing with Wi-Fi mesh networks. I've also helped hackathon teams to release their MVP application. I've participated in other hackathons that won second place or third place. We haven't actually won the fourth place, but these are hackathons that are backed by Google, and also backed by JP Morgan and Chase. So that's just a little bit about me. And also I've shipped an app to the App Store called Instant Date. This is a dating app I built all by myself from the scratch, built everything, back end, front end, design. And it all started with an idea with my brother in the basement, and we thought, what would it be like to create our own version of a dating app? Okay. So I'm still coming back to the dating app, and I'm going to be launching version 2 soon. But in the meantime, I thought I should share my experience and my expertise. So that's just a little bit about me. And also to add to that, I have 2 bachelor's degrees. I have one in integrated science education from University of Lagos, and also I have one in software engineering from Ohio Dominican University in Ohio. So both in pedagogy and also in the technical industry, I'm bringing my 2 expertise, one in teaching and instructing and showing how you can create an application. And also I'm bringing my experience from the tech industry. So back to 2 weeks to SwiftUI. What are you going to learn in this program? So in 2 weeks, in 14 days, I'm going to show you how to create your very first application. Don't worry about the technicals. Don't worry about things you don't know. We are not going to spend too much time on the theory. We are going to get our feet dirty. We're going to get our hands dirty. We're going to create an app. And that's what SwiftUI application or SwiftUI framework was designed for. Apple released this framework in 2019 and made it much more simpler than we have been doing it in the iOS ecosystem. So SwiftUI is a declarative framework that makes coding and building UI interface easy, much, much easier. So we're going to be exploring basic concepts of programming, getting our idea about what is coding, what's this word about. We're going to talk about classes, we're going to talk about structs, we're going to look at components, the ones that are designed by Apple, which are the system components like the buttons, the for each loop, the scroll view. We're going to use all these components to design and build an application. All right, so I've made this course very easy to follow, very simple. We're not going to go into too much theory. You're going to be able to take this course in 14 days. And at the end of the 14th day, you're going to have an app, functional, working, that you built all by yourself. And furthermore, if you decide at the end of the 14th day, SwiftUI is not for you, that's fine. At least you tried it. You've seen what it's all about. You've had the experience and exposure in how to make and create apps. On the other hand, if you decide to go deep or go further into SwiftUI and building applications, now you have a head start. You know where to go. You understand the language. You understand the iOS ecosystem. And you can go and continue from here, take more courses, go advance, build applications if you wanted. Now you already have the skill. All right, so think about it. What would you do in a weekend? Would you spend the weekend going on a hike, going to coffee, or binging on a favorite Netflix show? Or how about I told you spend the weekend investigating and figuring out how to make a basic application? Now, this skill is going to be very valuable. If you check how much iOS developers are paid, it's always increasing every year. And with the launch of the Vision Pro headset, there's going to be even more demand for iOS developers and SwiftUI programmers. All right, so that's just the tip of the iceberg. Coding in general is fun because you're using your skills to solve real-world applications and real-world problems. So you're applying the skills that you have to create solutions. And this is a very rewarding and lucrative career. All right, so that's a little bit about SwiftUI and programming in general. In this 14 days course, I'm going to show you how to make your very first iOS application. And from there, the world is yours. So that's everything about 2 weeks to SwiftUI. 14 days program I've designed just to make it easy for you to get into programming and coding in general. This is an introductory course that is going to be simple and easy to follow. Okay, if you found that interesting and you want to go down the rabbit hole, there's a lot waiting for us. I'll see you on the other side.